Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a shortcut on Snapchat. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Do you want to send snaps to multiple friends at the same time? Luckily, Snapchat offers a shortcut feature that lets you achieve these goals. Shortcut creates a group for your Snapchat contact that can easily be accessed in the send to screen after creating a snap. So in this video, I'll show you how to how to make a shortcut on your Snapchat. It's very simple. First of all, first we have to open our Snapchat. Now you can just go to your DM message. Now if you want to create shortcut, you can just tap on the upper right corner on the three lines over here. You can manage friendship. Here, there's an option new. You can just select on that. You can create a Snapchat shortcut. Select on new shortcut. You can choose on the your friends that you want to add to your shortcut. This one example. You can create shortcut. Before that, you can choose emojis for your shortcut. This one, for example, like this. Now you can just create a shortcut. Sorry. You can only use one emoji. Sorry. Like this. Create shortcut. So here you go. Here's your Snapchat shortcut with your friends. It's very simple, right? So that is how to create a shortcut on your Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.